Hi, I'm Nola Pearce, President of TraumaSim Group. Moulage is the art of applying mock injuries for the purpose of medical and emergency training. Medically accurate moulage is essential to modern simulation. Used to add realism and enhance any training scenario or simulation, quality moulage generates student focus, buy-in, and evokes a realistic stress response, getting the students closer to the real world. Our courses will take you through planning your moulage to best fit your students' needs. Moulage should align with the appropriate mechanism of injury and student outcomes to be useful and purposeful rather than a distraction. Our moulage has a strong focus on safety, using professional grade products to keep you and your personnel safe from injury, allergic reaction, and you and your workplace safe from litigation. The highly experienced TraumaSim team have been delivering moulage services and workshops to a variety of military, medical, and emergency response personnel around the world since 2008. Across our online tutorials, we discuss a range of moulage mediums to better understand the styles of moulage that can be utilised. We take you through the options, looking at the pros and cons of each type of product. We teach you step by step how to create a range of injuries such as bruises, shock and cyanosis, burns, open fractures and lacerations to apply to your simulated patients or mannequins. Our tutorials will whet your appetite as you enter the moulage world and provide you with the skills to provide quality moulage to your simulations. Contact Healthy Simulation to enrol in one of our moulage workshops today.